So Roblox chat has been restricted in different region. In case your region is included, these are few steps you have to take. Hi, welcome to Glitech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to force Roblox chat restricted in your region. So you just have to go to your browser. For this video, I'll be making use of Chrome. Type in Roblox support. Click on the first website. So right here, all you have to do is to type in your username, which is optional. Type in your first name, which is optional. Your email address, the email address you use for registering your Roblox account, and also confirm it. Now, the issue details. What device are you having a problem? We'll just select Android phone. The type of help category. Scroll gently and click on technical support. Cannot visit experience. Right here, you just have to paste your request or type in your request. So you just have to click on the continue option in order to send your request to Roblox, and Roblox will give you reply within a few minutes. So guys, that is it on how to fix Roblox chat restricted in your region. If this video was helpful, please do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.